Hello IPXers, it's Jake here at Embedded World 2025. I'm here with Nandan from Baya Systems. Nandan, can you tell us a bit more about Baya Systems, what you do and why you're here?
Great, well thanks for having us on. My name is Nandan Nampally. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of Baya Systems. Baya Systems is less than 2 years old. It's a startup. We just raised our Series B funding from Matrix, Maverick Silicon, Intel Capital, and of course strategic investment from Synopsys. And Baya goes after a really emerging gap in the marketplace, which is really about data movement on die and across die. So what we see is, if you look at the overall offering, we're looking at developing and delivering on-chip fabric, and with the idea of it being ready for multi-chiplet implementations. We provide the software and the IP that enables you to build these complex systems, which are needed as you go into the next generation of intelligent compute.
So what is the real problem and what is the real solution?
So as you look at intelligent compute or AI in general, what you're noticing is that different processing elements have to come together much closer to actually achieve true AI, right? So you have CPUs as you had before, it's transitioned to GPUs, and there's a plethora of neural accelerators that come in. But really the problem is not in the processor itself, it's in the data movement, the compute itself. And as we look at increasing amount of data, increasing amount of learning, if you will, data movement becomes the real problem, network becomes the real problem. And that's what we're trying to solve, to connect up in a much more dense fashion these compute elements into a very tight-knit, intelligent computing platform.
And if people want to get in touch with you, what's your website?
So the website we have is www.bayasystems.com. We are headquartered in Santa Clara, United States. We have a large design center in Bangalore, and we actually have a UK office as well, and we're growing globally.
Cool. Thank you very much, Nandan. Thank you.